Yep, I'm Graham Bromley. I'm Project Coordinator for the Marsh Street Arches and Garden Community Interest Company, who have developed the Green Heart Den, which is the other side of the railway arches. At the moment we're stood on what we call the North Plot, which we are in the process of developing over the next 12 months into a community grow your own scheme. Right, since you were last here, we've confirmed some more funding for the North Plot Community Grow Your Own scheme. We've had a recent meeting where we finalised the plans for the North Plot scheme. We had an initial plan from an architect. We involved our partners and local residents. We invited them in case there was any fine details needed changing in them plans. So we just finalised that in the recent weeks. Our architect now has gone away to do the final drawing so he can put costs and specifications onto that drawing. The contractors are planning to be leaving site probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks because the group repair scheme is virtually finished. We'll gradually be moving, so after 3 months you've probably all left site. They have offered to make good the site, and the gravel surface that's right behind me there, you see the cabins are based on there. We'd like to have that as our hard surface car park area, so the contractors have offered to do that when they leave site for us, which is a massive help to us, and it may reduce our costs for the actual North Plot project. One issue we have had problems with is 188 Marsh Street. It's a derelict, vacant, shockingly bad condition property that's up against the bridge. That's going to be our main access on the Green Heart Den. It's a property owned by Network Rail, and it's just taken a long time for the negotiations between Barrow Council, who are purchasing the property off Network Rail, and Network Rail themselves. Since the new year though, that has stepped up again, and they're in proper dialogue with each other, and hopefully the property will be transferred within the next month, 2 months. While we are waiting for that purchase of the property, we have had contractors from Network Rail. They have helped us with some work on the bridge, particularly where there's been water seepage, loose brickwork facing the Green Heart Den. They have been working with us to repair loose brickwork, repair the pointing, and they have put some new piping into the bridge where the water seepage is. Overall, the last 12 months have been quite successful. We've developed a lot more partner organisations. We've developed and confirmed new funding streams. We've got the lease agreement now confirmed, an 85-year lease agreement for the North Plot. We've got the plans drawn up for the Community Grow Your Own scheme, and we are working closely with more partners, and we're attracting more funders to the project. Hopefully, if we were studying in 12 months' time, the wall would be reduced. We'd have nice railings on there. We'd have a nice gated entrance. Behind me there, that surface would be tarmac or appropriate for vehicle parking. This area we're stood on now, all around here, it'd be nice and level. It'd be nice surface for people to use. We'd have raised planters in here. Probably the orchard area could be in behind you there. And I'd like to think it'd be busy. People would be using it. People would be enjoying the space. And over that 12 months as well, we will be developing more links with our partners, with the local community, with the residents. So we'd have more people involved in the project. So I'd like to think, yeah, if we were studying in 12 months' time, it'd look totally different, totally transformed, and people will be getting a benefit out of this space.